being like from my firm, leaving the old organization and joining the firm, I was the first one to be joining as a management trainee, because in a short span of time, there were no one to be joining as a management trainee. Now I'm going to get 90 rupees.
So welcome, Ali. I welcome you to this IntelliPad feedback session. Why don't you start with introducing yourself?
Okay, so my name is Syed Aslam Ali and I'm from Cuttack, Odisha. I have completed my graduation from Ravencha University, if that too in Bachelor of Commerce. Post completing my graduation, I started working in an MNC and as a process associate. And like I told that I'm from a BCom ground and I was very eager to work into that technical field, but because of that I needed a lot of knowledge. So I started learning Excel first, and from Excel I got my first promotion as a business analyst. When stepping into the being a business analyst, I learned one thing, that Excel is not only one tool. Before that I used to understand that Excel is everything, but post becoming a business analyst, I learned that we have to learn many more tools. There, the field is so big that you have to be good with the R, Python, data science. In short, data science. So I have to learn. Exactly. So after that, I started I had no scope, and then we whole country was in lockdown. So I started looking for someone who can teach me, because if I'm in office, I can learn something from my colleague. Because till that, I have whatever I've learned was just a self learning part. So I wanted to learn something from the professional. So one of my friends, he took a course and he suggested me that why don't you look for this IntelliPad in data science with R, Python, or whatever, if you can just look into that. So post taking the course, I could understand, before I was just a commerce graduate, but now I can tackle with the technology stakeholder and the business stakeholder and because I act like a bridge between the operation and the technology because of this. So this has given me a wonderful scope to understand each and everything, because with technology you should learn the basic, which is the business and the mathematics and the statistics. Exactly. That's what I have learned from the IntelliPad.
So Ali, tell me about your transition that you had. Like you told previously, you were working as a something else position, and right now you're as a management trainee. So tell me about this transition that you got.
So the transition, I would say, was
your smile is telling everything.
I'm not getting a word, because overall I have only almost 5 years of experience.
Okay.
And before this, if I wanted to go and sit for any interview, I was being rejected because I don't have a BTech degree.
Exactly.
There are
very crucial.
But now the thing is that I do have a knowledge, I do have a certification, I do have a background check. So now I'm not getting, and being from my firm, leaving the old organization and joining the firm, I was the first one to be joining as a management trainee, because in a short span of time, there were no one to be joining as a management trainee. And again, I have got something better, more opportunity than the management trainee. So I am moving to the next role as well in next month only.
Okay, so Ali, your smile is saying everything, but still I like to ask you that what hike did you got? Will you like to share with us?
Okay, so exact number I would not say, but yeah, based on the analysis that I'll say, the thing is that before I used to get 20 rupees. After this, I got 60. Now I'm going to get 90 rupees.
Wow. So that's almost 80-90% hike.
Yeah.
Right?
I'm very thankful to my friend and the person from IntelliPad who have taken my first session actually.
Wow. Okay, we'll find out that, Ali, and that's also. Thank you so much, Ali.
Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah. You have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Yeah.